5 million tons of water. That's not the quantity of water consumed, but the quantity of water saved in Vadinar owing to 52 waterless urinals installed in the refinery. This affordable and retrofitting waterless urinal technology has been operational at the Essar campus for the last 8 months.
We got the idea of waterless urinals from the basic fact that water is the most precious resource today. Sometime back we read in a paper article that IIT Delhi had invented a kind of retrofit which could be replaced to the conventional urinals at a very low cost, probably 1/10 of the cost, and we could save water and also keep the place odor free and fresh all the time. And in a setup which uses so many urinals, we thought we'll start off with about 50 in the first phase, and it was going to save us about 5 million liters of water in a year. So we were actually saving a lot of money on the one hand, and also doing something which is environmentally sensitive. Let me show you how the whole process works. We are into one of the washrooms of Essar House, which has these waterless urinals fitted now. I'll typically show one of the urinals how it functions. If you see here, there is some retrofits which have been changed from what it used to be. It's a simple technology. It works on difference in specific gravity from between urine and an LDPE ball, which is being used inside the waste coupler here. This LDPE ball is placed on an orifice which actually goes up due to buoyancy when the urine goes down there, where urine has higher specific gravity than the LDPE ball. And once the urine passes, it rests on the orifice normally and traps the odor from coming up. This is basically the technology. And then we've got to control odor. We've got these screens which are actually anti-splash, and it is also acting as a net which prevents solids from going inside. We actually have to clean it about once a week with water, and daily we have to just wipe the pans. These pans incidentally are having hydrophobic lining so that nothing rests on it and it slips into the pipe. I believe this is what we should be carrying forward in other industries and prevent criminal wastage of water that we generally see in urinals.
With the installation cost of 5,000 rupees per urinal, the expenditure incurred per month works out to 2,500 rupees per unit. The average savings per urinal, including the water that comes at a cost, works out to 30,000 rupees per year.
The waterless urinal was a great initiative taken by Essar Vadinar Refinery in the direction of water conservation. I am very happy to see that it's performing very well, and people started liking it. As you know, the water is very scarce resources in the world now also and going to be. So refinery as such is in the process of taking a lot of measures in the water conservation, and in fact we have received a lot of awards for our achievements in this field.
By incorporating these waterless urinals, Essar Vadinar has taken industrial sanitation to another level.